The AMS Controls MP350HCL is a setting module or operator interface for use with a tool that cuts metal. This terminal came in and would not enter the program properly and would not retain its settings and data upon powering off of the system. We rebuilt the control board and replaced the battery, which allowed us to go through and program any of the menu settings. We also verified all the inputs and outputs and replaced the damaged input. At ERD, we repair a wide variety of operator interfaces, which, in machine tools, are a common failure point due to their constant use and sometimes abuse. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.